What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another chef cooking show. All right, what we got today is the famous homemade banana pudding. Right, before we get started, let me tell you what I got here. 5 nice big bananas, 2 cups of water, this old high-speed mixer, my bowl, banana pudding. Right, now, you can make this a couple of ways. You can make it from scratch, which would take a little bit longer, but we're gonna go instant today. All right, cream cheese, banana extract, Cool Whip, real lemon juice, and you can't forget vanilla. Top it off. Whipping cream, baby. Whipping cream. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the water. 2 cups of water. Put it in our pan. Alright, we're going to move over here. Put this in here like this. Alright. I'm going to come over and cut bananas up. The lemon juice. We're just gonna let this sit, sort of get that tang to it. Sweet but sour. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit. We'll put some to the side. This way the instant pudding comes in. Whipping cream to get it started. A little bit of banana extract.
Hold up. Let the real chef take
Wait a minute, hold up.
stand.
Hold up. Oh, now you want to come in?
Yes.
Wait a minute now. I done did all this. Now you want to come in and take over?
Yes. I'm the real cook. You had to do the heavy stuff. Now it's my turn.
Well, can I at least take the top off of this?
Sure.
Okay.
So
I don't want you over here struggling.
So let's work for me.
Like I'm doing right here. I don't want you to struggle. So all you need is just a dab now. Just a dab.
Just a dab.
Just a...
Oh my gosh.
It don't matter. All right, come on in, chef. Come in.
You just don't learn. Just boom. I got jokes.
All right. We got a clown in the building.
You bet.
All right.
Now I'm missing a final ingredient. ASMR.
So are we gonna use the entire container?
Yes.
Okay. Like you're struggling, chef. You're struggling.
I'm not struggling. What are you talking about? No. It's nice to take this off too. Just get some nice ingredients on the back.
Look like there's some recipes. Look at that. Strawberry shortcake. Wow, smoothie.
Wait.
Got a smoothie on the back.
Hold up, I need to save this.
I see you.
Okay.
Chef look like you're struggling now. Are you struggling, Chef?
No, I'm not struggling. Now, I'm not gonna use my finger, although that would be nice. We're gonna use Looks like somebody's calling me.
Wait a minute, Chef. You told me you had it. You told me you had this wrapped up.
Hello? Oh, yeah. Of course. Yeah. Perfect. It's kind of like a bad time.
I got this. I knew.
Bye.
I knew you couldn't handle this. I knew it. So I'm gonna wrap this on up. I'm gonna wrap it on up. But I tell you what I can do, Chef. I have to let you pan it up. How about that? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off here. So I had a real chef do it. I think I have something, Chef. But here's what we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit more whip. Just a little bit. There we go. I think it's time to put this bad boy together. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's put it together. All right. All right. We're gonna layer this bad boy down. We're gonna layer it down. Chef, I think we have a visitor. Look, we got a visitor. Look at that. We have a visitor.
Hey, little guy. Hi.
All right. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna layer it a little bit. Put down the cookies, like so.
Does it matter how the order is?
No, it really don't, because when you eat it, you're gonna crunch them all, so it don't matter. As long as you get the cookies in, we're good. All right. Next up is these bananas. Bananas. Man, it's jumping out my hand.
Now, I know some people are going to be commenting, what about sanitation? Is this very sanitary using your bare hands?
Yes, let me tell you why. Because lemon juice has a lot of acidity. The word of the day, acidity, which break down the chemical in the bacteria. Sounds good, but when you're home, you cook however you want. And if you think, back in the days when your parents cooked, did you ever see them wash their hands? I didn't. So guess what?
Seems a little sketchy to me if I say so myself, but
It'll work. The topping is next, ladies and gentlemen. The topping is next. I'm gonna smooth this bad boy out. I'm gonna make sure it's covered all the way.
just to shorten this up, I'll make a quick break.
All right, we are back. This is the finishing product. I hope y'all guys like it. Like I said, I make everything pretty simple. I don't like anything hard. Pretty simple. I will put all the ingredients on this so you guys want to know how to make it yourself. Y'all see a little bit of where I do it. Like I said, I like to keep everything easy and simple. But thank y'all. I want to thank everybody who's been staying tuned for me making my videos, all the support. I appreciate you. But as of right now,